Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. I hope you like the beginning of the video. This is just a short preview because we just got the truck finished up as far as, let me cut this off. Hold on one second. Excuse me now. And boom. Make sure, all right, so check it out. Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. This, my friends, is a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LTZ Duramax. 6.6 liter turbo diesel, straight from hell. I'm just kidding. It's not too crazy. I mean, it's a little bit, you know, deleted. Full exhaust system, tuned, lifted, Bilstein shocks on all four corners. Brand new set of 20x12 -44 offset drop stars on a set of NITTO Trail Grappler 35x12.50 20-inch tires. Trimmed out nice and perfectly on both sides, as you've seen the previous video. It's got the new Duramax emblems on the sides and on the rear. You probably see a little mini dents here and there. I'm waiting for my dent guy to get here to my PDR. That stands for paintless dent removal. So what we did to this truck, we painted the front bumper gloss black, painted this flat black. Got it all color matched and everything. Because it accents the wheels that are flat black, so the emblem and the front bumpers and everything. Like I said, it's just a short video. Bilstein shocks. We got a Pro Comp suspension lift kit on it. Leather interior, backup camera, Bluetooth, controls on the steering wheel, 160,000 miles. Limited miles, but for a Duramax, if you guys know what you're talking about, that's just breaking in for a diesel. Ask any professional guy who works on these trucks. Ask any truck driver that drives on the interstate at 95 each day with these trucks. You maintain them, they treat you well. Just like anything. You treat your dog bad, he's gonna run off on you. You treat your girl bad, she's gonna cheat on you. You treat your truck bad, your truck's gonna break down on you. Common sense, man. So, anyways, this truck is straight from Texas, no rust. It's got some goodies on it. And like I said, this is just a preview, okay? These are the quick preview. So, yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned for more of this. Nfab step rails, by the way, too. Stay tuned for more of this truck. This is Mark signing out. I know it's a short, quick video, but I hope you like it. This is the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 6.6 liter Duramax LTZ. Holler at me. Stay tuned. Peace out. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.